Looking to build some new structures for your farm animals? Check out this DIY video for creating a cozy space for your furry friends. Watch now and get inspired for your next farm project. Follow along as I build the rabbit house. Part 8. Let the painting begin. Now that I have all the walls sheathed in, it was time to paint. I started off by brushing the hard-to-reach places such as the top, bottom, and corners. I'm using a Kills 2 paint as a primer. Now that I finished up with my hand brushing, I continued on with a roller. Now that I started getting more paint on the wall, the OSB started to look a lot better. I like working with the Kills 2 primer because it's fast drying, it's water-based, it says it's a sealer, it's good for stains, and it can be used on a variety of surfaces, which I figured would be good since I was painting over OSB. And it also has a low VOC. I found the OSB to be quite challenging to paint. There was a lot of spots that you can see, and it was soaking in my paint rather quickly. You'll see there's been a bit of a time jump. I had a narrow window of semi-decent weather of 40-ish degrees, so I decided to set the camera down to continue priming, and then I moved on to more painting. I chose a light mint green paint, and you'll see I also painted the floor with a white Kills 2 primer. Here you'll see I'm using a silicone. I'm running it along the base to seal in that gap. The cage design I have allows the poop to drop down to the floor, which was another reason why I painted it. I'm sealing in the base so none of the manure and hay will be in the gap, making it easier to clean. Earlier you saw me wave around a spoon. I'm using the spoon to spread out the silicone along the base, as you can see here.